This is when your village skits start to translate into your real life. Like the village skits are translated into his personal life. I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you, Kesse. How dare you come onto the red carpet like this? Oh, Lord. And everywhere I turned, everybody was in red.
The awaited Charlie Dior Ababonti Ababe criticize nkofo bi dress na omukopie mo red carpet ne so TGM no ase. Obi te say Akonoba. Ye nyina ye hu Akonoba se ne no wa dress akopie mo dwumadie no ase se blue black suit bi ne wa hye. Na ina bia na wa ase ene ne keka ho e Charlie Dior. Ede nanum sem Ababe to abonti so ede afa sa dress na Akonoba ede kopie mo ase no. Afen so Wesley Kesse a onso ye TikToker ono so ne frontal lesbia no wa share e wo hon madwetwa nwini so a video beto e abonten so me say Charlie Dior ababeka ho asem say ono no ayade a one eye sa brante Wesley Kesse e free pa eno so nkire se Wesley Kesse address say no akwakopie mo red carpet no so na enye no ma onka na yenko tie nsem a eye Charlie Dior abeka ade fa nkofo bi dressing ho ye nyina ye hu stone boy dressing eno so Charlie Dior kan ho asem abadop ye nyina ye hu no ono so ne dress sene na esi ekono ni nyina Charlie Dior ababeka ho asem ne kwakoti o maba no mamenka wo se eye tap send eso wo Europe, Canada, US, UAE, Australia wo send this guy e de abaga na wo de famumu account anase bank account Zipe wo Netherlands wo de Ideal Payment ko Play Store anase App Store na download the tap send app no wo download the website so promo code and one so we the Part TV e de show what Part TV show bia and one say a show bonus wo se wo Europe asem then say tap send wallet about the amount you use tap send Robert me create wallet was no was service card be up to 50,000 Ghana cedis now there transactions be a person with the charges be any actually yango tie Charlie Dior emra yakoba ya to aso e the amount.
You know, I like him as a person. We always have a good time. But two things can be right at the same time. I can love Kesse and also give him a critique. And I feel like Kesse did himself a disservice when he posted the wig frontal installation video, because as soon as he posted that video, I was waiting to see what he was going to wear on the red carpet, because he got me thinking, so it had everybody waiting. The world was waiting to see what Kesse would wear. And I don't think when he showed up on the red carpet, the hype around the wig installation video matched what he had on. There are so many pieces in this look that I love, okay? The 3D rose petal jacket would have worked on a magazine cover. As an editorial shoot, it would have worked. But it felt really busy on the red carpet. This whole 3D rose petal has also been done. Rihanna did this. Okay, our very own Dinah Samoa did this. Cardi B did this on the red carpet, and this is also a good, you know, version of it. But I feel like it looked so busy on the red carpet. The jacket, the shirt, the corset, the white leg pants. Please don't get me started on the glasses. Don't get me started on the glasses. When you go out of space right now, there are two things you will see. You will see the Great Wall of China and how busy this look is on Earth. It is too much. He was uncomfortable. He was sweating on the red carpet. You could see the lace. I don't have to clock your lace if you're going to do a lace front wig. We will be burning that wig. We will be burning the glasses. There are some few pieces that I like. I like the jacket. I like the corset. But all together, I felt like at that point, Kesse was trying to prove to himself and to prove to us that he could dress. We know you could dress. You don't have to prove anything. You know, because when you do that, then it's a bit overdone. I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you, Kesse. How dare you come onto the red carpet like this? Oh, Lord. And everywhere I turned, everybody was in red. Everybody and your mother were in red. They were all wearing red on the red carpet. So you needed to do something to stand out. You needed to do, I mean, you did stand out because a lot of people were talking. This is actually one of the most talked about look on the red carpet. And if that was the aim, and if that was the goal, then congratulations. But I'm sorry, this will not put you on our best dress list. We are so sorry, Kesse. Like I said, there are pieces that I like, there are pieces that will be, let's burn the wig, let's burn the lace front wig, let's burn the glasses. It was unnecessary. Let's go. Yeah, shit on I any day pussy for because I don't understand. This is really disappointed. I was really disappointed to see this look, and because of that, we'll be burning this look. I'm sorry. Next, we have Akonoba. Akonoba is a social media sensation, and I immediately I saw this look, I knew the inspiration. Okay, if you watch Drag Race, if you're a big fan of Drag Race, Violet Chachki had something like this on at the season finale, at the season 8 season finale of RuPaul Drag Race. Violet Chachki was wearing something like this. Akonoba's face looks a little different. At first I didn't recognize her because this look kind of ages her. It ages her. The blonde hairstyle, the oversized gown, it really ages her. I'm like, no, girl. I don't know if she's in her 30s or 40s or 50 in this look. Once again, the color red. All I wanted to know is, girl, can you breathe? The weight is so thick. It's like it's snatched. Stinks and casa. Hey, all for the glamour. I feel like a dress like this will also, once again, it will work for a movie premiere. Like a dress like this will work, you know, like somewhere, like in a different kind of event. You know, a dress like this will work. I don't know how I feel about this. Once again, very, very busy. The material, it seemed heavy. The pearl, considering how the tattoos and the shape of the dress, I think once again there's a disconnection. There's a disconnection here. Hey, a more subdued necklace would have worked for this look. A different color hairstyle. I did not like this blonde on her. You know, this was even the time for Akonoba to give us more of a body-hugging, sexy dress. What do I say? Because, you know, this is a music event. Why don't you dress like a video vixen? Ah! Yes! Really shut it down. Really shut it down. You know, she came in strolling in late in this dress that overages her. And because of that, I'm sorry. Worst dress nominee. We will be burning the look. Next, wow. Let's talk about this. Akonoba, hey, bruh. Hey, bruh. What? Hey. This is when your village skits start to translate into your real life. Like the village skits are translated into his personal life. So everything, even if, you know, he's trying to do glam, all I see is a village skit about to come. All right, remember years ago we spoke about Kwame Eugene wearing a similar suit like this. We actually compared that to a couch. We burned it to ashes and we threw it into the trash. I see that Akonoba has gone into that same trash and digged up their suit. This is not flattering on him. And then air back outside of the suit, no. Patapa suit being in. Something was coming out. Please don't get me started on the way that the pants was fitted. Don't get me started on the way the pants was fitted. And I don't know if it's gold. I think it's on the suit. So I want to scream. I see that TGMA, they are now inviting anybody at all to the event. They are inviting anybody at all to the red carpet. Some of y'all need to take a course. You need to take a class on how to present yourself on red carpet, how to work the red carpet. Take a class. This is bad. If we are selling the whole red carpet experience and TGMA to foreigners, this is how we are selling it? Is this how we are going to sell it? It was a bit aggressive. He even posted the fashion video on Instagram, and it was a bit aggressive. Boop, 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 boop. And did you guys see the video of when he turned around? He turned into the corner. That did it for me. I was on the floor at that point. I was gone at that point. That did it for me. I was like, you know what? I'm done. This is tired and this is through. It was for my bro. Yeah, queen man, I see you, my bro. This is an unpolished look from head to toe. The suit is now well fitted. So there is something coming under the blazer, and I don't understand. The way the pants fit is bad. The hem, why the hem is pants, you know? The boots, oh, shulalala. Oh, Manolo, Manyo, bede. Please grab your match, grab your kerosene. This is worst dressed nominee. We'll be burning this look.
Now when and summer a fashion critic a michere a Charlie Dior at the Ababata once so. Obasa share video on Ankoto from TikTok, X, Instagram, Facebook, baby I at the Part TV, YouTube, no so but and subscribe for my midi. I am Miss Ama at the Pebe Sans Asia, Macram.
Mr. Mankwa, me office was saying this cabane de any project. No, as to the be a me office camania what problem.
Enemremu. Namonte tap sending ka.
No so ne
Tap send easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I will buy anything.
Chine say won ko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you Kesse ya. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika ko gu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atususu nkakra enti abere sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana hayru
sa pepe se si tap send that trainer shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no